Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about YouTube for your product-based business, and not to make money on YouTube, but just to promote your business and have another footprint online. But before I get started, you might be thinking, why haven't I talked about TikTok? Well, I don't use TikTok. However, I do have a TikTok class. This is created by Mary, who is in my eShop Success program. She's very active on TikTok. She knows a lot about it. I asked her, would you like to do a class? I could put it on my site. She said, sure. So you can go over there and sign up for that. I will put the link in the description. And it goes through the whole thing of setting up a TikTok business account and, how to use the whole platform. And I should probably do it, but there's only so much time. So anyway, let's talk about YouTube, because I obviously do use YouTube, and I'm going to show you my business account. Now I have 4 YouTube channels. You may not know that. I have 4 YouTube channels, and let's go share my screen. This is the channel for my cake business. And I have a channel for tutorials, which is this one. I have a channel for my main Etsy kind of lives and stuff on Tuesdays. And then I also have one for my Decorate Small website, which is about gingerbread houses and doll houses. And I haven't put much on there. I haven't been working on that too much, but that will come when I have some time. Okay. So maybe never. But my cake website, my cake YouTube channel, I do use to promote my website and to send traffic there. And it's not monetized because I just broke this off from my other YouTube channel. So I basically started at 0 subscribers probably about 6 months ago. I moved everything over. There's another benefit of having another YouTube channel, and that's that Google likes videos and Google likes YouTube. And I'll show you that at the end of this. But here again, I'm just uploading the same videos that I've used in other places. I just upload this as a YouTube short. It gets put on the shelf, and I don't really care if anybody watches this. The point of this channel is not to be monetized. It's not to get views and subscribers. It's just to have another footprint online. I also use it for tutorials, like this one is about how to make wafer paper ruffles. I can do tutorials of the products, show how to use it, show how to make things, and then I can send customers over here if they have questions. And one of the things that I do, let's find the video. There's a video that I made about fixing torn wafer paper, because I have one set of insect wafer paper that is constantly, people are always complaining that they tore the legs, and the legs are skinny. And I say they're fragile, but people still use their big hands and rip it. So I can't find it on here real quick, but I will show you that if you search on Google for how to fix torn wafer paper, my blog article and YouTube video come up. And this is the benefit of having a YouTube channel for your business. If you keyword it correctly, and you have to use Google SEO for this, if you keyword your YouTube videos correctly, you can show up on Google in search results literally 10 minutes after you post the video. That has happened to me multiple times. It's probably going to happen to this video. I probably will show up for specific keywords on Google very shortly after I post this video. So I have confidence in my ability to do that. Like I said, I love Google, but this is handy because when people buy these insects, let's look at the video. When people buy these, I can tell them, if anything breaks, go to Google and search for this search term, and it will tell you how to fix it, because my blog and my video will come up. And I know that they'll come up because I keep an eye on it, but it's the kind of thing where you can have videos that help your customers, and then you can send the customers to those videos if they have a question. And if you have common questions that people ask all the time, you can do a video and show it to them, because people like to see things. It's better to show than to tell, and it will help your customers out. So I had a customer ask me this question: how do I shape the flowers? And I said, I will do a quick video. I did this little quick video. I showed how to shape the flowers. And look, it's not like highly edited. I'm not even holding my hands in the camera range most of the time. But I do show how to do it. And that's the kind of thing that will help a customer out. It'll show them that they can do it. And then they're happy that you help them. And it saves you having to answer the same question 90 times, because now you can just send people to the video. I send people to these videos all the time because I do videos about common questions that come up when people buy something from me. So you can do that. These little shorts, again, this is the same videos that I've uploaded to Etsy Explore, to Pinterest, to Instagram, and then cross-posted to Facebook. Same videos. I don't know about the text. I probably have, I know that I have the Adobe Movie Creator in my phone because I have the Adobe suite of movie editor and that kind of thing. So that's probably where that came from, but you don't have to have text on these. Just upload the video, keyword it, and then it will come up in Google. So back on Google, if I search for rainbow edible butterflies, I would assume that that video might come up, maybe, but in the main search results, it probably won't. Here's my website. Etsy beat me out for this one. Boo. But, you know, and these are images. And then somewhere on this first page, there should be some videos. Let me see if there are or not. There might not be, but there is a whole video section. What Google does is Google doesn't have a whole lot of kind of shopping intent product-based videos because people don't make them. This gives us a huge advantage if you're making videos to put in your Etsy listings. Look at this is my video from Etsy. It's from the Etsy listing, and it's grabbing the keywords here and showing my Etsy listing video in Google search results. This is mine, I believe. Yeah, that's mine. That's mine. These are all my listing videos. This drives me crazy because I want my YouTube, I mean, I want my either YouTube channel or my website to come up, but Etsy has a really high domain authority, so they're probably going to beat me out. But every single one of these is my videos from Etsy. And the only reason that Google is grabbing those is because they don't have a lot of videos to show for those keywords. So here we've got my YouTube small rainbow edible butterflies. This is from my Pinterest account. These are all, every single video on here is mine. They're coming from different places online. I don't like it that Etsy is beating me out on YouTube, but it is showing one thing on YouTube. And what I could do is go into YouTube and make sure that these keywords are in this video, which they might not be. I might not have gone in here, but I can go in here and edit it and make sure that I have put rainbow edible butterflies in the description here and see if I can keyword it a little bit better in order to show up on Google search results. So the benefit of having a YouTube channel for your business, you don't have to go on here and do anything. You could just do little product videos and post them. If you keyword them correctly, they will show up on Google. They could show up on the Google homepage, or like the main page of search results. They could show up in the video section. You can use the videos if you want to in your Etsy listings, but you saw how Google pulls from the Etsy listing videos for that. So, you know, I prefer to have people go to my website, but it is an organic visit from Google. So it's an organic visit from YouTube, should go to my website because I have all the links in the description here, go to my website. But if this shows up on Google, it's an organic thing. So I'm not going to pay the Google off, like the Etsy offsite ad fees, because that's organic traffic. I don't have to pay for that. So it's another way to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. And you just have to think of how do all these systems connect. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok do not, in general, get indexed on Google. Okay, Pinterest and YouTube do. And Google owns YouTube. And Google wants more video to put in search results. And people don't do videos about products very much. They do like how to make it. They don't just do a video about the product itself. So if there is a buying intent keyword that Google doesn't have a lot of videos for, it's going to pull videos from Etsy because it knows that it's a shopping site. If you have videos on your YouTube channel that are clearly about that product and is keyworded the right way, then Google has a good chance of pulling that into the video search results and maybe even putting it on the first page. It's the kind of thing where we can't really predict what Google's going to do, and they change their algorithms a lot. But the more footprints that you have online, the better it is. You can take your YouTube videos and post them to Pinterest. You can take your YouTube videos and use them on a website or a blog if you have those. And it just, again, gives you more footprints online. It gives Google more material to choose from, and it helps drive traffic back to your selling sites, whether it's Etsy or your website. So leave me any questions. I will talk to you later, but definitely check out the TikTok class if you're interested in that. I might see if Mary wants to do a very quick video about it, and that would be a good thing to post on here. So I'll see if she wants to do that. And if you don't see that, then she didn't want to do it. Just go check out the class. But leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.